Yes, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaka Brighton, and in this afternoon, we are going to talk about database systems. So, here is my database project. Specifically, it is talking about shipments management system. Here is our introduction. We have our introduction. We have problem case and their solution. We have we have application domain, then we have benefits, then cost analysis, then we have our shipment database entities, attributes, data types, and we have our relationship, how our database is going to help different individuals, all the relationships in different sections. Then we have our interfaces, our login, our employee interface, whereby an employee will be logging in an account and follow up the orders of shipments if and a customer has ordered for something and probably an employee has to make a follow up on each and everything. We have shipment interface. The customer can access and track his or her item. Then we have also shipment interface whereby the dashboard, all the admins will access each and everything concerning shipments, total shipments, what. Then we have our ER diagram, then we have our table entries. These are created using some software called ZAM, whereby you can instruct and command to get your data. Then we have security and backups. So let me take you through each and everything. I've already introduced myself, Kato Brighton again. BCS 2024-081, that is my reg number. Year 1, semester 2. So here is our project. This it is designed for implementation of the shipment management using my SQL. It aims to automate the management of customers, shipments, tracking, and payments. So as I've already said, when I sat down and found I can have something like people who have already used it, online shopping or online businesses, they know how they can easily understand what I'm talking about concerning shipments, tracking, and payments, whereby you can pay for your order using your mobile money or mobile card, ATM, or you can also pay on delivery. So it is something that can be implemented furthermore. Yeah. When on the business case, we have the problem and its solution. Manual shipment tracking and record keeping can lead to insufficiency, such as lost packages, delivered, delivered, delayed deliveries, customer dissatisfaction, and high administrative costs. Most of us has always experienced that people who use online shopping, online business, all people doing in the business of shipping abroad, you know how sometimes there is such inconveniences I've talked about. Then the problem, this our shipment database management system can automate the shipment management process, including shipment, so as to solve the above mentioned problems. Then we have application domain. This system supports core shipment management functions such as client registration, shipment booking, driver and vehicle for deliveries, route, and whereby I can follow up the route. The admin can follow up the route where his all items are and everything. So here we shall talk of blockchain at next time. Then we have benefits for a logistic companies that transport such things. They have improved coordination and reduced operation. They have real-time registration and shipment. They have centralized and low operational costs. That is the benefit of money. Then for clients, we have real-time shipment tracking updates, whereby a client can keep on following up his or her item, check where it is or where it has reached and the delivery date, etc. Then we have costs analysis. Here we will talk of tangible and intangible. For tangible, we have development and deployment of SDMM, hardware, e.g. GPS device, servers and setup, whereby in GPS devices and server setup, you can track your item or your package using the device attached to it. Then intangible, initial learning curve for a staff transaction for manual messages, change resistance from users and data migration from old records. So those are. Then we have user issues. It requires training, and here maybe I would say it has to be implemented because like people who are not enhanced in technology, they won't use this shipment project. But the changing world, then I think it can help us. So then risks, we have data privacy, routing errors, system downtime, then we have our cyber threats, to mention but a few. Then limitations. Our system, mainly the data can be entered manually, then limited return or refund handling, then requires internet for real-time updates. Then here are the shipment entities data that shows data shipments, entities, attributes, and data types. You can see in customer we have entity, we have customer ID, then as a primary key, then a description is a unique identifier, then we have name, we have his phone number, customer ID, then in shipment entity we have shipment ID, customer ID, pickup address, pickup delivery and quantity. Then in tracking, we have tracking ID as an attribute, then we have a location, timestamp, and status update as you are seeing. Then in payment, we have payment ID, amount, method of payment, and date of payment. Here a customer can have all the records in the system. Then relationships, it implements all, it promotes one customer can have many shipments, then one transportation can handle many shipments and answer more. Then we have the interfaces. As I've already told you, a customer or an employee can log in through his or her account. Then we have shipment that displays shipment ID, pickup, driver, and everything. Then we have customers page for his entities as shown already above. Then shipment interface. Here we can access total shipments. Then we can access shipments in transit, delivered shipments, and total payments. Then our EIR diagram also displays everything, customer tracking, and then here this application, this page, all these tables are got from XAMPP as I will show. Then we have the backups and security, user logs with limited access, then data validation for humans, and then backup. This helps a customer to find or regain his data or her data in case of anything that happens. In future implementations, we are planning or something can be implemented by using GPS and automated SMSs, email to notify the customers how far their packages are in transition, in transit, or in delivery agents. So finally, we come to our conclusion, and here I mean I will summarize the importance of our management database system. It enhances and fastens the accurate tracking of shipments in logistics companies. Thank you for listening to me.